Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your studies at home. You are listening to your chemistry teacher, Miss Sana Islam, and today we are going to study through online support program OSP. Your level is SSC and your class is ninth class. Textbook Chemistry Grade 9 National Book Foundation. Page number of your textbook is 21 to 22. Chapter and Unit Number 1 Fundamentals of Chemistry. Lesson and topic is Calculations, Chemical Calculations and Self Assessment 1.8. Resources required are laptop, tab, smartphone, internet. Introduction and summary of the lesson is this topic is about chemical calculations, mole mass calculations, and self assessment 1.8 will we do in this chapter. In today's lecture, we are going to find out the different mass mole calculations. In this section, you will be able to learn about chemical calculations based on the concept of their Avogadro number and mole. How we can convert the given mass into the moles and how we can convert the moles into mass. There is a interconversion of mole into the mass. Let's see example number 1.5 of your textbook on page number 21. In this example, it has been given that calculate the molar masses. We have to find out the molar mass. Molar mass means one atom mass of one atom in what gram. Okay. In this one, we will find out the molar mass. Okay. The first element is sodium, second is nitrogen, and third is our compound sucrose, which contain hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. How many amount of the carbon 12, H22, and O11. If an element is a metal, then its molar mass is its atomic mass. You know very well what is the definition of molar mass. Whenever we express the atomic mass in gram, it is your gram atomic mass. Means it is your molar mass when we express it in grams. If an element exists as a molecule, its molar mass is its molecular mass expressed in gram. Means it's your molecular mass. If any molecule you have and you expressed its molar mass into gram, it will give you its what? Gram molecular mass. As you know, the atomic mass of the sodium is 23. So, when we express the atomic mass into the gram, it means it contains 1 mole. It is the second definition of the mole that the mass of any atom, any molecule expressed in gram. Now, second is our nitrogen. As you know, the nitrogen is a gas and it occurs in diatomic form. And non-metals also occur in diatomic form. So here the atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. When we multiply by 2, we will get 28. 28 is what? The atomic mass of the molecular nitrogen. AMU means the mass of atoms. When we express this AMU into grams, it will be your mole. So 1 mole of nitrogen gas is 28 gram. Now molecular mass of C12H22O11. How we will find it? We will multiply 12, the atomic mass of carbon, by number of carbon atoms. How many? 12. H, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, multiply by 22, and atomic mass of oxygen is 16, multiply by 11. We will get what? 176, 22, and 144. Total mass of 1 mole of sucrose is 342 grams. This is your what? molar mass of 1 mole of sucrose. Now we are coming towards our self assessment exercise 1.8. Let's see what they are asking here. In question, the question is calculate the mass of 1 mole of copper, iodine, and your potassium and oxygen. As we have discussed earlier, copper is your metal and it exists in monoatomic form. So 1 mole of copper is as it has atomic mass in the periodic table, which is your 63.5 AMU mean atomic mass unit of copper. When we express the atomic mass into the gram, it will be your 1 mole of copper. Now come to the iodine. Iodine is your non-metal and it occurs as a diatomic form. I2. I for iodine. I is the symbol of, capital I is the symbol of iodine. So the atomic mass of iodine is 127, and as it is occur in diatomic form, we multiply 127 by 2, we will get 254 grams. Now come to the potassium. As you know, the potassium is your solid and it occurs in monoatomic form. It does not occur in diatomic form and it is also metal. So 39 grams is your potassium. Oxygen occur as a diatomic molecule because it is your non-metal and it is your gas. So gases and non-metals usually occur in diatomic form. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16 and as you know it occurs in diatomic form. We multiply 16 by 2 so we will get what? 32 grams. Now mole mass calculations. Here simply you can see we can convert the mass in gram into the moles and moles into the mass in gram. It is the interconversion by dividing with atomic mass or by multiplying with atomic mass. How we can convert the mass in gram dividing by the molar mass, it will be converted into the atomic weight, it will be converted into the moles, and when we multiply the moles by the atomic weight, yeah, molecular weight, so we will get mass in gram. It is a simple molar mass calculation. So here is your assignment number 4. Now calculate the mass of 1 mole of, we have to calculate the mass of just 1 mole of sodium, magnesium chloride, calcium hydroxide, carbon and iron. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz students.